Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the universe to learn crochet online. It's great you're here today because it's always a lovely day to crochet. If you like crochet or kittens, or you just want to help me out, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay! In this video, I will show you how to knit this bag. This one is a giant yarn, very big yarn. It's quick and easy and very cute. I can show you the bottom. So this bag is about 500 grams of the yarn, and the size is about 10 inches, and this one about 8 inches long, and this one about 3.5 inches. And also can put our phone inside. It's very fit for the phone. There you go. If you are ready, let's get started. First of all, we need to sew the yarn to make it close. And then after we sew it already, and then we will start by create a slip knot. To create a slip knot, we need to make a circle, and we use our two fingers. Insert and grab the yarn, and we can slightly move the yarn tail to make it shorter. And this created a slip knot. And then we can check the size of the loop. We have the card. The card is about 2 inches long. So we get the size already, and then we will make a chain. So this one, chain 1, use 2 fingers to insert to make a chain. And then another chain will be chain 2. So the size of my 2 fingers about 2 inches long. Chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and then chain 5. The last one, chain 6. We need chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. And then we will start the round 1. Before that, we need to check with the card that we made. Remember, it's about 2 inches. And every loop need to be the same size. So I will check the second loop by the card. Perfect size, and then we take it out. So keep repeating this process, and we check with the card again. And the next one, we can check the size from the loop next to it. So this one, 5 loops already, and we need 1 more. So now we have 6 loops, and we try to check to make it to be the same size. And now we will check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we will insert to this one, the 6th one, and we can check from this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So use our 2 fingers to insert and grab the yarn and pull it back. And then check with the card again to make sure it's the same size. Pull it back, and then check the size, and then keep continuing, repeating the process. 2 fingers inside and grab the loop and pull through. So this one complete with the 6th loop. So the total is about 12 loops per each round. And then I will start the round 2. The round 2 is the same process as the round 1. We use our 2 fingers to insert and grab the yarn and pull through. And I add the clip to mark where is the beginning of the round. Same size, and keep continuing the process from the round 2. And keep repeating the process. Our 2 fingers inside and pull it back. And we need to make sure that the loop is not too far from each other. If it's too far, it will be too big and not the same size and not beautiful. And we try to stretch it a little bit. So this one 6th loop already. And then turn the work, and we now insert into the opposite direction. And check the size. Perfect. And then keep continuing. Insert the loop in each loop until the end of the round. So after you finished at the end of the round 2 already, we can try to make the work flat. And now turn the work and start with the round 3. For the round 3, keep repeating from the round 2 process. Insert and also mark at the same point. And keep doing insert in each loop until the end to your desired length. And remember, we need to check the size of the loop. Now you can see that we have the bottom of the bag, and we try to bend it a little bit to make the body of the bag. And now we bend the bag to make it up, and it will be the body of the bag. And try to make the loop close together. So I will stop with this round and check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will make the last round. For the last round, to close the bag, I will make a small loop, the size about 1 finger, pull through, about 1 finger size, 1 finger. I make it small because we're gonna close it. And then we will almost finish with the bag, and then we make the straps and connect it to the bag, and then finished. So after I make 12 loops already, and then I will close it. So move the mark to another loop. So use the end of the yarn, pull through. I will do this in every 3 loops at a time, and then pull the yarn tail. So 3 loops finished, and then we do the rest of the loops. 3 loops at a time. just about 3 loops, or you can do 2 loops or 1 loop at a time. So this one finished, and then I would like to make the top of the bag smaller. To make it smaller, we gently slide the loop to each other and then pull the yarn tail. And we can check if we like it. And for this one, I would like to make the top a little bit smaller. So gently move a little bit. And this one perfect. And then I will make strap and we check where is the middle of 12th loop. And we use our 2 fingers to insert. Pull through. For the strap, the process will be the same as to make a chain. 2 fingers inside the loop, grab the yarn and pull through, and we will create a chain. For this one, I made about 13 chains, and the 14th one will be connected to the back. So now it's time to connect to the back. And I will grab the tail, put in. We will not put in this, we will put in this one instead. Behind this. Then put down. And then wrap around this. And put behind this one. And put it down. So this technique, it makes the line straight to each other. This one is okay. And we have to hide this one. The tail within all end. And we also can sewing with these together. Sewing these together inside. So this bag is finished. You are awesome! Yay! Any person who enjoys my videos, if you want to support me with snacks or equipment to help me make more videos for my channel, you can do it easily by clicking on the heart-shaped thank you button under the video, and you can choose the price of your generous assistance as your convenience. Anyone who has already helped me in, thank you very much in advance, and those who do not press it, it's okay. Just coming to watch my videos, I'm very happy and appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the Crochet Channel, often for lots of new exciting, easy and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoy this tutorial, please thumbs it up, click the bell, share and subscribe. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and what you want to see next. Be kind to someone today and be well until I see you in the next video.